Hello everyone, this is Sunil Shah and today I'm going to talk about how to make new friends in Kingston. So traveling to a city like London is exciting, right? But at the same time, it's a bit challenging as well because you are all alone initially and it's important for you to make new friends here who would accompany you at each and every stage of your life in Kingston. So my first piece of advice is for the freshers. So if you are a fresher, I would strongly urge you to participate in the Freshers Week, for which you will have to buy the Freshers wristband from the Union of Kingston Students. This band would give you access to all of the Kingston University's events and activities such as the foam party, the boat party at the River Thames, the silent disco party, the laser tag at the Pandin Road and all such sort of activities. Also during the Freshers Week, there is the Freshers Fair, which is free for all the university students to attend. This fair would give you an idea about all the societies that are running in the Kingston University. It's important for you to become a member in such societies so your life would be much more active in Kingston. I recently joined the Hindu Society, which celebrates all the Indian festivals such as Holi, Diwali, Durga Puja and all such sort of festivals. I also joined the International Student Society, which is really important because in the last event, which was the Greet and Meet event, where we were given a chance to meet all of the international students from all around the world. So you are given a platform where all the freshers meet on the same stage. So it's important for you to just talk to them. Just go and directly approach them. Don't wait for them to approach you. Extend your hand of friendship first. So you just go and ask them about where are they coming from, why are they here, what are the future plans, what course are they pursuing, how would this course help them to build their career in the same field, etc. etc. Also, there are various friendship apps as well, such as Yugo and Meet Me and Peanuts and all the such sort of applications. You can search about more applications online as well. Also, my last piece of advice is a question for you guys. Is there anything more British than going to the nearest pub and have some drinks with your friends and family? No, right? Then just go with your friends and colleagues, dance with them in the nearest pub, and I assure you this friendship would last forever, ever and ever. Thank you so much. I hope this information was useful for you guys.